Today we're at 16767 Hollyhock in Moreno Valley, California. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's located right next to a park and elementary schools. Absolutely beautiful backyard, as you can see. Let's go take a look in the home. If you can see yourself in this beautiful backyard, in this beautiful home, go to m1rent.com today to put in an application or schedule a viewing. Thanks.